Do you know you can create your own profile card using AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can even use it as your profile picture or assign it to a contact. Let me show you how to do it. First, open Creative Studio. Under the Design Studio section, swipe through and tap Create Profile Card. Now, type your prompt in the Describe what you want to create field. If needed, you can change the style by tapping the styles icon above the text field. For this example, let's use Webtoon. Then tap Generate. Your phone will now create a profile card based on your prompt. Here you will see two options. The first option is Add to your profile. Tap it, then choose Profile Card, Picture, or both, then tap Done. The second option is Add to Contact. Tap it to select a contact, then assign the design to Profile Card, Picture, or both. And that's how you create a profile card using AI prompt on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.